capture this shot, I am using the Insta360 150cm selfie stick. I set the X5 to 360 video mode at 8K 30 frames per second. To film the shot, I extend the selfie stick above my head for a clear 360 view, bend my knees slightly, and walk for at least 2 minutes around a point of interest. I keep the X5 lens pointing towards the main thing I am filming, so the stitch line errors will never show. To edit this shot, I'm going to use keyframes. So at the beginning of the timeline, I'm going to put the Buddha in the middle, add a keyframe, and change the view to linear to zoom in. Then I'm going to move forward until I'm on top of the staircase. Place the Buddha in the middle. Add a keyframe. Then I'm going to move around the Buddha and add keyframes to keep it in the middle. So on the left hand side, I will place the Buddha in the middle, add a keyframe. Now I will move behind the Buddha, pinch inward slightly to zoom out, add a keyframe. Then I'll move to the right hand side of the Buddha, place the Buddha in the middle, add a keyframe. Then I'll go to the end of the timeline, place the Buddha in the middle, add a keyframe, use the narrow view to zoom in. The next step is to add speed, so I will go to Edit, Speed, go to the beginning of the timeline. I will use segment speed, start the segment speed at the beginning of the timeline, up until the top of the staircase, around here, and change this segment speed to 32 times. I will leave 1 second at normal speed to admire the Buddha, then start a new segment speed all the way until the end of the timeline, but I will leave the last second at normal speed and change this to 32 times speed and confirm. And now when I play this back, I have a time shift shot. To never record blurry or noisy 360 video ever again, download my free X5 cheat sheets in the video description.